Hello guys, today I want to show you how to join plastic pipes. It is not very difficult, but you need to follow a few basic rules. Here, this is the correct position. And here is the rubber gasket. Don't forget to put it back. Here you can see exactly how far the pipe should go in if the gasket is not in place. It should reach almost halfway into the piece. First, insert the piece that screws in. Now I will demonstrate a working method that is incorrect. As you can see, the pipe entered very little and did not pass the gasket. For someone without experience, he may think it's right, but no matter how hard he tightens the blue nut, water will still flow. Don't do that. Notice how much it has to go in, right? The pipe is quite thick, and it will not go through the gasket very easily. This is another mistake you must avoid, trying to force the pipe inside. If you do this, you risk moving the gasket and water will flow, even if the pipe has entered enough and you think it's okay. So, don't force the pipe inside. As I said, the pipe is quite thick, and in order to easily pass the gasket, we have to round it with an abrasive paper. This will allow to enter much more easily. But to make our work even easier, we can use liquid soap for better lubrication. I want to show you how much it went in and that the gasket stayed in place. I will tell you from my own experience, it is enough to just tighten it by hand. If this information was useful to you, please leave me a comment and a like. Thank you.